Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Shakuntala Naik and you're watching What the Film. So it's summer and it's way too hot out there. That's why I have come up with a simple and easy filled with nutritious summer cooling drink, which is green gram juice. This juice is filled with protein, fiber and hell lot of cooling effect. This is a perfect recipe for any time of the day. Do watch my video till the end because I have added a beauty tip related to this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe so that you are updated with such new videos. And now, let's check out the recipe.
Let's start heating a pan with 1 cup of green gram and roast it well until you see the grains turn brown and the aroma comes out. Now take it out in a bowl and wash it with clean water unless you see any dirt coming out. Now transfer it into a blending jar. Add in 1 cup of grated fresh coconut, jaggery as required, 2 cardamom cloves and ½ inch of ginger. Add in water as required. First blend it coarsely. Mix it well again just like this. Now add enough water to get a thick paste like this. Now take up a vessel and arrange a strainer over it and pour in the paste and keep stirring unless you get smooth liquid out of it. Now add this residual into the blending jar and add in more water and blend it again. Repeat this process for 2 to 3 times unless you get a complete amount of liquid out of it. Now do not throw out this residual. Now mix this well so that everything gets ingrained. Add some more water according to the thickness you want. This juice tastes best when it is cold, so add in ice or keep it in a fridge for an hour and then serve it. And that's how it looks like. This is totally delicious and relaxing. You can add some more jaggery and garnish it with a mint leaf. Can be used as a homemade body scrub mask. Take it in a bowl with 1 cup of coffee granule and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Mix this well with required amount of water to get a thick. Apply, scrub and rest for 15 minutes and you will love the results.
Well, I hope you like this recipe, and if you do, please let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon so that you are updated with all my new videos. Till my next video, stay safe, stay healthy.